Hello everyone, my name is Danny. In today's video, I'm gonna talking about the MACD indicator. Before I start, if you add a value to you, please smash the like button and follow my Discord channel. Let's get started. MACD is one of the famous oscillator that a lot of professional traders use it as a confirmation of the trade. Is included two parts. One of them is two moving averages, 12 and 26, and another one is histogram chart. Basic confirmation of the changed trend when the two moving averages crossing over each other. As you can see here on some of the example here, the change of direction when the two moving averages crossing over each other. Basic thing about the histogram, when the break above the zero line is kind of the sign of the strength, and the break below the zero line is sign of the weakness. That is potentially change direction for us. Histogram chart is show us the momentum of the trade. If the histogram chart lost the momentum, that is sign of the weakness for the market, and if the momentum is decreased, is sign of the strength. That is give us the basic signal about the MACD, how to use it. Such as all of the indicator, MACD is not magic too. They're not gonna give us the trigger of the entry for the trade, and based on the one histogram chart and the one EMA on the MACD, we jump into the trade. We just only get a confirmation for the trade, and we not use it as a own for trading. Confirmation of the divergence based on the MACD. As you can see here, prices make a higher high, but MACD make a lower low. That is show us the lost the momentum on the market. Potentially we gonna be change a direction of the trend. In this example, as much as we make a lower low, but MACD make a higher high. That is give us the signal to potentially change a direction of the trend. MACD has a overbought and oversold area as well, but it's completely different with the RSI because it doesn't give us the area of the over 70%, for example, or over below the 30% is called as an overbought area. I mean, MACD is each asset could be different behavior in the overbought and oversold area. You need to identify which one is overbought. This could be different and is really complicated to find the overbought and oversold area. It's depend on the what time frame did you work with, and should be better to avoid this one because it make a lot of trouble for you to find the overbought and oversold area, but it's possible. MACD, like all of the momentum indicator and average indicator, it's lost the power when the market is ranging. You can't get any information, any signal from the MACD as well, and they lost the confirmation. It's better to avoid the MACD and the range market as well. MACD is one of the powerful indicator, and it's really good indicator, but you need to get back test and forward test based on your strategy. But one of the things that I'm gonna mention, indicator is not magic. If you think in indicator gonna be trade for you and give you the signal, it's completely wrong. We just get a confirmation only based on the indicator only, not only trade based on they give us the one crossing or one green dot or something like that. It's completely wrong. You need to find it out the sentiment of the market. Thank you so much for watching, and hope so you enjoyed the video and added value to you. If it added value to you, please smash the like button and follow my Discord channel, subscribe to my channel. In this channel, we not sell any dream to you. We just talking about the reality on the market. Make sure to watch my risk management and money management on the trading as well. I'll leave a link in here. And see you next time, guys.